Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique, and I have another recipe video for you all. Today I'm making hummus pasta. It's a very simple recipe. I'm using the hummus that I made in the previous hummus video I showed you all. I will leave the little link up there if you want to see that video, and I'll put it in the description box. But yes, I'm making a very simple creamy sauce out of hummus and tossing it with pasta and some caramelized eggplant. It's a really good pasta dish. It's a really good pasta dish, and it's very simple to make. So I hope you enjoy it. Please like the video and leave a comment or a question if you have any. Subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hello, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, and definitely give this pasta recipe a try. I tried to make a recipe that didn't have a ton of ingredients. Sometimes I feel like my recipes have too many ingredients, but this is simple. I used the hummus from the previous recipe video that I showed you all. And if you don't want to make hummus from scratch, you can just buy store-bought hummus to make this even faster. If you don't like eggplant, you can use any type of vegetable you want. This would be good with zucchini, yellow squash, maybe even like roasted butternut squash or asparagus, roasted Brussels sprouts. It's a pretty versatile recipe, so yeah, I hope you give it a try, like it, comment, share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!